Welcome back to our channel. Today we have restored completely a Willys CJ's short chassis Jeep. This is a Jeep which is owned by us only. This is not for sale. You can just have a look at the look of the Jeep. We have upgraded with a brand new painting job on this vehicle, and we have done the under chassis pitch on this. We are running with the original DI engine in this. That's the international DI engine, and we have upgraded with off-road tires and off-road rims. You can just have a look at the beauty. Extremely in army matte green painting has been done on this vehicle, so you can just check out this complete side look of the vehicle. Extremely in very much neat condition at the moment. A set of 4 tires are from Mirage. Off-roading rims have been installed on this, completely painted with under chassis also done. And you can just have a look at the body line. It's very neat and clean. Any kinds of sales, service, modification, or any kinds of painting, tinkering job, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. We deal with all kinds of 4x4 vehicles, petrol as well as diesel cars. Sales, service, modifications are done with us, and any kinds of requirements of your modification we undertake. And also we have a couple of vehicles for sales also with us. This is a CJ3B which has been doing with us from past couple of days, and recently we painted with completely a brand new paint job is being done with under chassis. 4-wheel is also been serviced, and recently we have upgraded with a new clutch as well as pressure plate also. For any kinds of queries, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. If you want same kind of Jeep to be restored with us, we can do it. Same replication can be done on this vehicle. So please like and subscribe our channel. Our channel as well as our contact number is 9886679617. This is our WhatsApp number. So please like and subscribe our channel. We are based in Bangalore. Shipping can be done across all over India if you provide us the vehicle, and also we have customers vehicles also for sale. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.